In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use NDI Tools for network video streaming, focusing on these two core components, which is the screen capture and the studio monitor. Before we jump into this, let's quickly understand what NDI actually is. NDI stands for Network Device Interface. This is a technology that was developed by Newtek. I think it was in 2015. This technology allows you to send high-quality video, audio over a local network. No HDMI cables needed. As long as your device is on the same network or Wi-Fi, you can transmit video between them in real time. Now, let's get into the setup. First, there is an important requirement. All devices using NDI must be connected to the same Wi-Fi or network. Without this, NDI won't work. Alright, let's start with the first tool, which is the screen capture. Screen capture acts as a sender. It lets you transmit your screen, webcam, or audio as an NDI source. Once you launch it, you'll find it running on the system tray. Just right-click the icon and you'll see all the options to choose what you want to capture. This includes your display, external cameras, and audio devices. One really useful feature is the region of interest, and this is what it does. It allows you to capture only a specific part of your screen instead of the whole display. You can resize the capture box to fit exactly what you need and even save those settings to stay consistent every time you are using the screen capture, okay? Next up is the studio monitor, which acts as a receiver. So, this tool lets you view all the NDI sources being sent over your network. Once you open your studio monitor, go to the top menu and select your source. For example, your main display or a secondary monitor that's being shared through the screen capture. NDI tools are powerful, very powerful, guys, especially for live streaming, remote productions, or maybe multiple PC setups. And the best part is that all is done over your network. You don't need to buy anything. Just download NDI tools and they are very free of charge. Go to their website, download them to your laptop, create a local network, and you're good to go. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video.